Hi, my name is Joe Zangle, owner of Top Notch Flooring America here in Bel Air. We've made some big adjustments to help you shop for flooring safely and confidently for your home or business. We've closed our showroom to the public and will only allow in one appointment at a time. Second, we've added a virtual showroom to our website and Google listing. Third, we now offer a virtual meeting with our expert design consultant, where you can log on and discuss your project with us from the safety of your home. And finally, we've negotiated unprecedented discounts for this unprecedented time. That means you can save $500 more on top of our already low pricing. Or you can get up to 36 months of 0% financing if you buy now. Reach out today and let's discuss your flooring project.